A federal judge issued a temporary halt on further construction at an immigration detention center in the Florida Everglades, known as Alligator Alcatraz, while a lawsuit over its environmental impact proceeds. The order, issued by U.S. District Judge Kathleen Williams during a hearing in Miami, stops all new construction activities at the site through August 12. This includes filling, paving, infrastructure installation, and lighting. The pause will last for 2 weeks as the court reviews a motion for a preliminary injunction filed by a coalition of Florida environmental and conservation groups. The lawsuit, originally filed on June 27, claims the detention center threatens the fragile Everglades ecosystem, endangered species, water quality, and the dark night skies. The coalition expressed relief at the judge's decision, viewing it as a crucial step toward protecting the unique and vulnerable environment from further harm caused by the facility's expansion. Eve Samples, executive director of Friends of the Everglades, praised the temporary injunction, emphasizing the goal of safeguarding the imperiled ecosystem. Talbert Cypress, chairman of the Miccosukee Tribe of Indians of Florida, also welcomed the ruling, stressing that the detention center endangers not only the environment but lands sacred to the tribe. The Miccosukee Tribe joined the lawsuit as plaintiffs, asserting their rights to protect their homeland. Despite the halt on construction, Florida Governor Ron DeSantis made it clear that the facility's operations and deportation efforts will continue unabated. Posting on social media, he affirmed that operations at Alligator Alcatraz are ongoing. His spokesperson dismissed the judge's ruling as the decision of an activist judge, saying it would not affect immigration enforcement in the state. They highlighted that the facility remains operational, serving as a key part of the state's deportation efforts. Miami-Dade County Mayor Daniella Levine Cava, who has consistently opposed the detention center and requested access to monitor conditions there, welcomed the court's decision as necessary and long overdue. She reiterated concerns about the facility's environmental effects and treatment of detainees. In a social media post, Levine Cava pledged to continue pushing for greater transparency and accountability to protect both the community and the environment. The case is ongoing as the court prepares for further hearings on the environmental group's motion for a preliminary injunction. The temporary halt on construction marks an important legal victory for conservation advocates and the Miccosukee Tribe as they seek to prevent lasting damage to one of the nation's most sensitive ecosystems.